Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn areas related to circles together, step by step. Here we measure parts of a circle, not just the whole area and circumference, but slices called sectors and segments, and the length of an arc. First, the basics. A circle of radius r has area pi r squared and circumference 2 pi r. Everything else in this chapter builds on these two. A sector is a slice with angle theta at the center. It's just a fraction, theta over 360, of the whole circle. So the arc length is that fraction of the circumference, and the sector area is the same fraction of the total area. Find the area of a quarter sector, 90 degrees, of a circle with radius 7. The fraction is 1/4. So the area is 1/4 of pi r squared, which is 1/4 of 154. That's 38.5 square centimeters. A segment is the region between a chord and its arc. To find its area, take the sector and subtract the triangle formed by the two radii and the chord. For an arc of 60 degrees in a circle of radius 21, the fraction is 1/6. The arc length is 1/6 of the circumference, 2 pi r, which is 1/6 of 132, that is 22 centimeters. To recap, a circle has area pi r squared and circumference 2 pi r. A sector is the theta over 360 fraction of the circle, and a segment is a sector minus its triangle. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.